make sure that we were still following that process, that it still made sense, and that it was still giving us the best possible results. So our SSOPs got reviewed, every time we added a new employee, or every time someone left, or every time we had a change in any one of the inputs to that particular process that we were looking at. So I love this idiom. I think it's a great idiom. I think the older I get and the more experience I have, the more I understand how important it is to simplify, and have processes and procedures that other people can step in and follow. I found this when I had my sudden cardiac arrest. If I had not had processes and procedures in place and everything documented, that business would have come to a grinding halt. But since everything was documented, my son actually was able to step in and keep things clicking along without even missing a beat. So that was terrific. So that was my real reminder of the power and the importance of having processes, having systems, documenting things, letting other people know, delegate. And I think that's part of being a good leader, is teaching other people the things that you know, sharing everything you know so that they can learn and grow too. So, love to know your experience with this particular idiom, dot to dots. I'll probably do this little dot to dot later just for the fun of it. The opposite sides are coloring ones, so that's fun too. All right, if I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build your business right now? Have a great day.